$100,000 with one single affiliate offer. I couldn't figure it out until I changed just this one thing. Okay, so the other day I was working with a coaching client and I was reviewing her affiliate website, and man, she did a lot of work. It was making me tired really just looking at it. So there was a total of over 400 pieces of content created. She reviewed something like 50 different affiliate offers. And despite all of that effort, all of that work, she just really wasn't making what she should have for the amount of effort that she put in. And immediately within 5 minutes, I saw the problem. So here's what the problem was. So years ago, I promoted the idea of review-based affiliate marketing. So what we would do is, let's say there's a particular pair of headphones like the HyperX wireless headphones. And what you would do is you create a blog post, a YouTube video targeting specifically HyperX, reviews. Don't buy the HyperX headphones before this. Really just trying to get those keywords and like review, buy, things like that. And by doing so, hoping that when we ranked, we'd pull in people that want to buy right then and there. So people with buyer keywords are more likely to buy right then and there off of not really impulse, they're just ready at that stage of buying. Now, this model is extremely effective for networks like Amazon.com. Still viable to today. It's how I made my first $3,000 to $4,000 a month on Amazon just doing that model. However, as I've matured as an affiliate, I've realized that there is a lot more money out there doing this. Okay, so that thing is, instead of promoting 10, 20, 30 different products, it's promoting just one product. Okay. Don't close the video. I know this isn't just groundbreaking information at this point, but I'm really going to dissect this to ensure that when you walk away from this video, you actually start implementing this. And then at the end, I'm going to link you to another video, which is going to take this even further. So this just all cements inside your mind. So stay tuned for that. So the reality is of selling anything is that it actually takes skill to get good at selling just one specific product. I'm talking about on a micro level. Let's take this pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses. Getting good at just promoting this exact model is an actual skill. I'm not talking about, promoting sunglasses in general or even just the Ray-Ban brand. I'm talking about the exact product. So over the years, looking back on my results as an affiliate, it's really been maybe 3 or 4 offers total out of probably close to 100 that I've promoted at this point that have made the bulk of the money that I've made from affiliate marketing. It's because I did this specifically, what I'm talking about in this video. So the way this starts out is that, let's say you're browsing through ClickBank and you see an offer that you want to promote, and you sign up as an affiliate, you get approved, and then you go head over to the vendor page looking for the promotional tools. So this is like the typical way of how it starts out. You go through the promotional tools, you see email swipes, you see some pre-made articles, maybe some review content, some banners, and from all that, you just try to piece together like your first promotion for that product. And usually, no matter what you do, it's going to start out pretty generic. It'll be something generic like, these Ray-Ban sunglasses are gold trimmed. They have a nice yellow lens on this so that you can see well at dark, and you can buy it from the link below for $50. Like, it's nothing groundbreaking. It's nothing ornate. There's no skill. There's no finesse. It's just very, very generic talking points. It always starts out that way. Now, as you start making more sales, you start to realize, like, dude, I could probably improve this promotion quite a bit. So you start to iterate. And I talked about this previously in a video I'm about to link you to, but we're really building this out now. So you start to iterate. So iteration 2, you might take it one notch further. You might say, okay, these Ray-Ban sunglasses, by the way, yeah, they had the yellow lens, but more importantly, not only do they help you see at dark, but this yellow lens filters out harmful sun rays during the day so that you can continue to maintain good eyesight throughout the course of your lifetime, which, by the way, these sunglasses, because they're so well made, this is something you just got to buy one time. This is, as long as you don't lose it, these are going to stick with you for a lifetime, like almost like a family heirloom. Okay, so see how it's getting a little bit more like fleshed out? And that'll be iteration 2. Iteration 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've spent a year on some products trying to figure out how to promote and craft that promotion. And the more you test and improve, the better off you're going to make that much more money. I'm not talking about a little bit. I'm talking about dramatically more money. And that's how eventually you obtain almost logarithmic results with a specific product. Now, that's the first step. The second piece, the actual traffic acquisition, becomes so much better because now we know who actually wants to buy the product. So we could create a YouTube video as YouTube video number one titled something like, your eyes are getting damaged by the sun every day. Do this to save them. Okay, that's video number 1. It's a nice little like informative piece of content which does a light promotion of the Ray-Ban offer, which links to your website. or directly to the affiliate promotion if you wanted to. So that'd be video number one. Video number two, we can now try a different angle. So we could do something like, this is the only brand of sunglasses that Tom Cruise wears. All right, so we could hit like a celebrity angle. All right, pique some interest that way. So by doing this, we continually follow up over courses of months or even years, doing those continual touch points, reminding the person about the offer, how it can benefit them, because it takes time for people to eventually buy. So this is something you're doing over the many years, as long as it still remains to be profitable. Now, in addition to that, we can then start fleshing out demographics. So who might actually want this specific product? So truck drivers, for example. Then we can start making videos and articles about something like attention truck drivers. Your eyes are getting damaged. Don't drive another mile until you watch this video, until you watch this. Or if you're over the age of 50, don't watch another YouTube video until you watch this, because it's about your eyes. Okay, so we're then specifically targeting demographics in the market. And this is going to allow us to carve out little niches and little pockets in a market that you normally wouldn't have been able to hit if you didn't go deep, instead by going broad. Now, this is where the magic starts happening. Once we start getting this clout and numbers start going in, then we can start working some deals with our affiliate vendors that we work with. So for example, just my own personal experiences, I've been able to negotiate higher commission payouts once I've reached certain thresholds. So once I crossed like $5,000 a month with one offer, I went and sent them an email. I was like, look, I can put in more effort and more focus into this if you're able to bump me to 65% commissions, because then I can hire like a dedicated editor, and that'll allow me to create more content. And that's what I did. Ended up getting some of those offers up to like $10,000 to $12,000 a month. See, all roads, they lead back to Rome. The idea is that we're squeezing every little ounce of juice out of this offer, because when it boils down to it, it takes many different touch points for people to buy. Personally, I've seen people buy years later after an initial offer. So that's why we focus on one product and not many. Now, earlier in this video, I mentioned another video that builds off of what I discussed here in this video. So that video is labeled, I was a broke affiliate until I discovered this. The next step is to watch this video right now. You will benefit greatly by watching it. So click right here. Okay, it's nap time.